I think that people don't necessarily realize what's happening in the background. And they are scared and they want to be heard, and their lawyer is working on things. But if they're not hearing from their lawyer every day, then they don't know what's going on, and then they complain about the bill. And so, please understand that the lawyer is billing for their time, and the lawyer is working on things. And if you want to talk every day, we can talk every day, but that doesn't necessarily help the lawyer also writing things up and communicating in the background. And certainly it impacts the bill. I guess on
Hmm.
another thought about, expectations, I would say that it helps to not assume the worst in every text and every communication. When you read a text, you can't hear the person's voice, you can't hear their inflection, you can't see their expression. And so when people are already mad at each other, they read that text and they read that text in the worst possible light that they can. And then people get mad at each other, and it's maybe not intended that way from the outset. And if people could take that moment to say, I'm not going to assume that the worst of this person when I read this, that could help. It could make a difference.